In just 3 seconds, everything changed. The sky turned a blazing red, and the stars blinked in strange patterns, like a secret message from beyond. Zara's smartwatch sparked to life, showing a hologram of the galactic crown with a glowing countdown. 3 days left! Her heart pounded. She ran to Leo and Meena, shouting, "The galactic crown is in danger. We have to act now." They rushed to their treehouse lab. Leo activated the star map. Blue galaxies swirled above. "Coordinates locked," he said. Meena pointed to a blinking red zone. "Planet Zarnox, that's where they've taken it." They strapped on jetpacks, took a deep breath, and launched into space. Their ship flew through a green nebula and landed on the glowing icy surface of Zarnox. Strange crystal towers rose in the fog. A robotic owl named Giga hovered above them, eyes glowing. "Only hearts of truth may pass the maze of echoes," it said. With courage in their eyes, the kids stepped into the maze. Shadows slithered along the walls. Every footstep echoed like a whisper. At the center, they faced a pit of floating stones, each marked with a glowing number. Meena remembered the riddle. "Even numbers," she said. One by one, the stones aligned. A hidden doorway opened to a staircase of stardust. At the top, a cloaked figure waited, the Dark Collector. He held the galactic crown high. "Only the brave may face the storm of trials," he growled. Zara stepped forward, her suit glowing. "We're not afraid," she shouted. The ground split open, revealing an energy storm. "Step only when it pulses," Leo yelled. Timing their movements, they crossed the storm, but a shadow claw almost grabbed Meena. She flipped midair and landed safely. They finally reached a silent chamber where the mirror of memory floated. It showed each of their deepest fears. Zara reached out. "We choose courage," she said. The mirror shattered into light. A golden path lit the way to the crown's chamber. The Dark Collector blocked their path again. "The crown belongs to shadows," he shouted. Leo hurled an energy orb and Meena struck the control crystal. Light surged through the room. The villain's power broke apart. The galactic crown floated down, pure and golden once again. Peace had returned. Back home, the stars sparkled above their treehouse. "What if there's another crown out there?" Leo asked. Zara smiled. "Then we'll find it too." A new star lit up in the sky. The adventure isn't over. Like, share, and subscribe because the journey never ends on our channel.